We're back. Guess who's back in Paris? Hey guys, welcome back to Style by Olivia. As you can see, I'm living my best Parisian life. No, just joking. So we're finally here in Paris. I don't even know what the last thing I filmed for you guys was. Sorry for the noise. I'm trying to give you guys, you know, Parisian vibes, so I'm not just like sitting in front of a blank wall. I'm not even sure what the last thing that I filmed for you guys was, but I want to kind of just like catch you up, you know, give you the recap on what it's been like. So I think the last thing I showed you guys was that we left Hong Kong. So that was really straightforward. And now ever since we've been in Paris, it's kind of just been like, oh, is the lighting okay? Can you guys, I hope this lighting is okay. Ooh. Okay, maybe it's better like this. Okay, so again, excuse me if there's noise, because, you know, here we are, no air conditioning in the middle of summer. So yeah, since we got to Paris, it's kind of just been like nonstop. I'm thankful though that we did kind of get a little bit of a break. Mr. Olivier did take me to the south of France, which was really nice for like our first weekend here, just to like relax, which was really, really great. Went to the French Grand Prix, like amazing. So like that was definitely like a welcome back type of thing. But now that we're like proper in Paris, like it's full on like apartment hunting, admin stuff. If you're thinking of moving to France or Paris in general, just get ready for all of like the French admin paperwork, all of that kind of stuff. Yeah, so basically all I've been doing nonstop is looking at apartments. Like I got some footage, I'll show you guys what I have so far, but all we've been doing is looking at apartments and like looking at property. Like that's literally all I do all day. So I'm so happy we found a place. It's like in my dream neighborhood, like our dream neighborhood. We have so much space. It's really, like, it's absolutely gorgeous. You guys know I don't believe in home tours though, especially if I live in a place, because absolutely not. No. I'm never gonna show my home on the internet. So if I don't live there, obviously I'll show you guys. But so yeah, this week we did sign the lease. We have everything. We have the keys. So like we're leaving this place. So this is the service apartment. I think I told you guys that in one of the other videos, that we would be in a service apartment here for a little bit until we found our permanent place. So we have that. Everything is like all set. I'm just here returning the keys today. So yeah, that's basically everything. It's been a whirlwind. And I don't know, I hope it's been interesting just following. I know for me, when I first moved to Paris, I would always be on YouTube looking for videos of like other girls, other women who moved to Paris by themselves too. And I don't know, it just really inspired me. So I feel like I want to do that too. Like whether you're moving to France or anywhere in the world, you know, I think seeing how other people maneuver and do things can like inspire other people to do the same, or just like give them confidence in what they're doing. So if you're watching this and you're thinking of moving to France or to another country, another city, you can do it. Definitely plan ahead, but you can do it. It's possible. So I'm living proof of that. So that is the moving to Paris series. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to tell you guys. Yeah, the big thing with France though is just like the paperwork. So I know for me, the saga of getting a French bank account that I had to deal with when I first lived here, luckily I kept my bank account because like I felt like we would come back at some point, so I don't have to open a bank account again. But just getting like taxes, bank account, like all of that stuff, change of address, all of that, it's a big process. So definitely always have a ton of copies of your passport, your visa if you have to have one, any kind of like admin information. It's called like a dossier in French. Make sure your dossier is like solid, because you'll need it for everything that you're going to be doing in France. So yeah, that's the update, guys. I hope it's been interesting. I tried to get some shots of Paris for you guys, but I'm really excited. I don't know if I told you guys this, but I'm gonna take some time. I have a ton of footage. I don't know when you guys are gonna see this, if you're gonna see it like when I'm filming, or if you're gonna see it in a few weeks, but I'm definitely gonna be taking my time this summer to kind of like pause and regroup and like figure out what direction I want to go in, what type of content I want to be doing, just kind of getting like my career and life together. So I'm really excited to be taking that break and to just like, you know, pause for a second. I'm so excited. I'm going home in a few weeks, and I cannot wait. I haven't seen my parents in like years, since before the panorama. I get to see my best friend. Like, my best friends actually get, like, I say best friend, but she's like my sister, my soulmate. She's getting married this summer, so I'm so excited for that, like, to just be home to see everyone. So yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful summer. I'm really excited for that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching me struggle through moving. But it's all come together really beautifully, like it always does. So thank you for watching. Let me know if you're excited to see more stuff in Paris, or if there's anything, you know, particular you want to know about Paris, or just, you know, moving in general. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.